Hey everybody, Miss Dietrich here helping you on question number 9 from L25. It reads, Amanda drew the trapezoid shown below. What is the area of Amanda's trapezoid? Show your work. For part A, it's recommended that you just plug these numbers into the trapezoid formula. Recall that the formula is 1/2 of the sum of the parallel sides, which we call base 1 plus base 2, times the height. The lines that are parallel to each other are this line and this line, so that's what we're going to add together, and we're going to put the sum of those numbers right here. I would recommend the next step would be to maybe take 1/2 of 8, because you'll have an easy number to work with. 1/2 of 8 is 4. And then you're going to multiply that with whatever you got for the sum, and that will be your final answer. Just don't forget to put square inches. When you're doing the next part, part B, explain how the formula for the area of a triangle can be used to find the area of Amanda's trapezoid. Well, in class we talked about how we can split a trapezoid into 2 different triangles, and this yellow line represents the height. Why is it the height of the red triangle also? I'm just going to slip this over here. See, that's still 8. That's the height of the red one. And if I slide it over here and I call this the base, then that would be the height of the blue one. So let's focus on the red one first. The formula for area of a triangle is 1/2 of the base times height. And in our red triangle, we're going to call the base 13 and the height is 8. Alright, let's do 1/2 of 8 just because that's mental math. And we get 4. And we just have to multiply that by 13. So you're going to finish that up on your own, and you're going to come up with some number of square inches, something square inches, for the blue one. Now if it makes you feel better, we could certainly rotate this thing around. If that made you feel better, it's the same triangle, and this is still the height of that triangle. So we're going to call 9 the base. Let me turn this thing back around and slide it in there so you can see that that's the same triangle. Alright, so the base is 9. Oops, let's use blue. And the height is still 8. We're going to take 1/2 of 8, because that's easy to do in our head, and we get 4. And you're just going to finish this up by multiplying 4 times 9, and then you're going to get a certain number of square inches. Now when you're done with getting this number and getting this number, you're going to add those 2 numbers together, this plus this, and that will be the total area of the trapezoid in square inches. You're going to check to make sure that this number matches the number you got up here. And if it doesn't, that means you need to go back and fix something because you went wrong somewhere. Now when you explain how you did this, you're just going to say, I broke the trapezoid up into 2 separate triangles. I found the area of each triangle, and I added the areas together and got whatever your answer was. All right, good luck finishing that up.